For the PRC companies, right now they have various choices. Say, for example, go for the Asia market, they also can be able to raise more funds. But right now, the market in mainland is having some adjustment and also some kind of policy changes. So that's why all such factors may push the company to go to Hong Kong. And so the economy for China, well, be frank, it is difficult, especially with a lot of export difficulties for the business partners like in Europe. But I believe that that may come back soon, and also with the interest rate cut may help the economy. So that's why I would say we still have a very high hope to expand quickly and also get more company back to Hong Kong.
Right, and I'm curious to get your thoughts on what you think the response is telling us about how investors are feeling about the consumption story over in China right now, particularly given that we were speaking to William Ma about this morning, that Midea is, a beneficiary of one of the big stimulus sort of packages that have been thrown at the demand side, and that is the trade-in program. But how are you looking at that from the perspective of, as I said, how people are feeling about the consumption story, but other companies that are likely to follow as far as IPOs, in terms of what sectors they may come from and how popular or attractive they might be?
I see. Well, actually, consumer sectors are one of the favorite in the past 2 years for the PE and VC. Because people think that that is more stable and more with better policy from the mainland China to stimulate the economy, they must encourage people to consume. And so that's why there are a lot of opportunity. And with the very good production and supply chain of mainland, they may also be able to get export. Of course, right now, a lot of Western countries may not have a lot of expansion plan for buying products from mainland, but anyhow, we still need to get prepared for the consumer sector. And also, the domestic consumption requirement is really huge. And so that's why those companies can easily get their production costs or fixed costs covered by their internal or domestic consumption level from mainland China. So that's why I think this is one of the best sector that people are looking into at the moment.
Ringo, we're also looking at names like SF Express and CR Beverage, which have securities regulator approval for potential IPOs. What does Hong Kong have that would attract list companies to come here? Names like Shein are going to London or maybe New York. Why Hong Kong?
Well, actually, of course, other companies may have various reasons. And then for some of the companies that have been listed in mainland, I think Hong Kong provides very good advantages for international fundraising. It is still a mainland or a China market. And Hong Kong definitely is one of part of Hong Kong, mainland China. And so that's why it will be easier for them to raise more money through this network. And that's why Hong Kong is still very important.